Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with my pro wrestling crate. Yay.
And I'm here with this book that her husband got.
Yeah, he got that from his coworker. I forgot where it was at.
Ontario? That's what he said, but I don't know. It's signed.
It was at the Dave & Buster's. Where was it at?
I think it was a Dave & Buster's.
No, I think that's where they're going to be doing. Maybe it was. I don't know. But yeah, it's signed by the Young Bucks.
It's a cute story
About
about bullying
them,
and stuff, so that's awesome.
Okay, so opening this box.
You're going to hit me in the face with
the other side of this card. Okay, so
maybe I should have a card.
So that's what it looks like. Am I holding it too far, too close? I don't know. And it says, of course, the other side of this card contains the contents of this crate, which sometimes I need help with, so I'll just open that up. Okay, let's see. Oh, well, Stone Cold Steve Austin, I know him, so that's easy enough. Yay! Yay! It's so big. There you are.
And hopefully you guys are having a wonderful Thanksgiving, because today should be Thanksgiving. We're filming the day before, but you will see this on Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving from us. Eat lots of food, but not too much.
Killer Elite Squad. Where am I missing anything? Lance Archer.
I don't say that sounds familiar, but
I know he just doesn't like ring a bell to me. But got the sticker
decal.
or decal, whatever it is. Okay, and then Hardcore Students, School of Hard Knocks. He looks like super familiar. I'm feeling stupid that I don't know right now. Let's see. I'm like, is it Funk University? Oh, I guess. Is that him? I think, yeah, that says Funk. Okay, so yeah, Terry Funk. That took me forever. Like, I'm like, okay.
Thank you.
So ours comes with like 2 shirts, I'm pretty sure. Every month. Okay, I'll grab this little guy. Aww.
Oh,
Eddie Guerrero. Aww.
cute.
That makes me sad.
I know. I was like,
And the pin is Sucka. I'm pretty sure that's... No, I think it's Booker T.
Oh, okay. I couldn't tell
Pretty
who
sure
it
it's
is.
Booker T. Sucka. Okay, there's that.
That's cute.
Does this go with it too? There's not... Yeah, like... Does we get a like DVD too? The best of... What does it say? Our...
Reality of wrestling. That's what that is right there.
Best of Reality of Wrestling. Oh, and that's just like their... Anyway. So it just has, I think, a whole bunch of matches on it. So that's what the back looks like. There you go. Thank you. And then, a little pin that says Dustin Rhodes, Austin, Texas. And it's got the little things in it. Is this supposed to move?
I know. I thought they move.
I was like, I saw a bubble.
Girl, they're broke.
Oh, there, it's kind of moving, but that's what that looks like. Am I holding it correctly? Yeah, like that.
That's cute. And then just the card. Oh yeah, the thing underneath the card.
And then just the little, card it comes with.
That face doll.
And then, of course,
serious.
The 8x10.
Let's
So-
see who it's of. We're trying to think of all the wrestlers from Texas.
Yeah, I do not know who he is off the top of my head. It says, like, ACH. Don't know. Some of these I feel bad because, like, I'm like, I won't recognize them right off the top of my head, but...
Then her husband will be like, you didn't know who that was?
I know, and
But
I'll be like, oh, yeah. Then again, we are getting older and everything, so, no. Anyway.
But that was it for this video. Again, hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, or you're going to have a wonderful Thanksgiving if you haven't eaten yet when you see this. And give us a thumbs up if you saw anything you like, or for how quick we go. Usually, we're going a little bit slower tonight. It's really late at night. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of our future giveaways and the one we're doing right now. I'll include the link below in the little description, and you just have to follow the rules and the guidelines from that video. Super easy. And we'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.